Hello folks, this is Phil from Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. What we got here today is a 2021 SMC Laramie stock combo LQ trailer. This is the 13 SSR floor plan, slide out, bunk beds, escape door, two 10,000-pound axles, 17.5 rubber. This particular one's got a hay rack and ladder. 14-foot stock area with a cut gate. Ramp up into the mid-tack. Power awning. Four-tier saddle rack. Bunk beds will fold up against the wall. Got air ducted back here and heat as well back here in the corner. A big closet to the left of the stool. Sink and vanity. Big fat ugly guy in the mirror. That don't come with the trailer. Got a big corner enclosure shower with a sky dome. Pocket door leading into the bathroom. You got soft touch leather walls. Big fridge in it. Recessed cooktop, convection microwave. Well, here you got a big dinette in the slide. It's got the Dream dinette in it, where it's on a bracket with a cylinder. You don't have to take the legs out to lay it down to make a bed. It just folds down. Got a jackknife sofa along the drop wall. Steps up into the bunk. This has got the cowboy decor package. You got the wood vent covers, wood hat hangers, or hat racks, soft touch walls. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.